You cannot win. This battle ends now.
Whoa, man, that's racist as hell.
What are you talking about, oh?
Like the whole accent thing, I don't think you could do that, even if we are Japanese.
But I am a samurai, oh.
Dude, that doesn't mean you gotta be doing a stereotypical accent.
Sony Pokemon の三菱 Nintendo 箱かわいい。
やめてー！
だがの触る！Did you see my spin move?
Why are you so hard to kill?
Oh, that is all. Because of my breakthrough, how bigger than yours.
Well, yeah, size doesn't matter, you bastard. It's how you use it.
Like that? Oh?
Well, mine's better because it vibrates. So ha! Ha ha! Lady, tell him it's better when it vibrates. Tell him it's better when it vibrates. Oh, it's too rough. Now I'm bleeding. At least slow down. Oh my god.
This battle ends now. Like for you this time.
Yeah, right. I can still pump out another round in me. So come on! I ain't finished yet!
You fought honorable, but if you had listened to Grandfather Senpai, you would have won, Sama. Oh.
Yeah, well, I prefer to listen to Miss Makima. And she once said to never go soft! And go right down the middle!
What? Wait, seriously, what?
Looks like someone needs some more experience, 'cause you didn't do anything!